Viewers and subscribers, greetings, love and respect from on your device and know One Connection Entertainment. Big up all of my loyal viewers and subscribers, they must stay tuned to the channel, all for respect and love and know the thing go. And all who not subscribe yet, do it now. Click the notification bell and join the community. So viewers, busy signal meeting accident. Well, it not too bad because him still alive, yeah. It was a bike accident. Busy signal crash off a big bike. And we have a video for it. Actually, we even have another video with Bounty Killer friend. Well, be sure if Bounty Killer know him, but him say so. Me not sure what the problem around them. Say him take away phone is like them I go call police, but them want keep him one place until the police them reach, so them strap him down. Viewers, we have it all coming up in this video. Remember, like the video, share the video, subscribe, support the movement. One connection or no connection.
So we keep things going. Tell us I never need your strength. Suck your mother, me not care about your comments. I'ma swear me not care who offends. Some them dog from a little man a face. By the way, I know man I make money like man a truck seller.
Girl, make you a call me. You're no more important. Send me a your baby. Better get a portion. Girl, them they enough and them wet. Worship. Had they left your man on the track like horseshit. Get to youth. Where we want to get rich. Yo, where we reach and where we not do. Switch.
Now, viewers and subscribers, the first topic of the video, busy signal accident. Me just want to say, yo, thank God the artist alright. You know what I mean? Cause things could have always worse. As we know how bike life go. Gravel small as a bug can change the moment. And we know whenever that time, you know what I mean, a personal contact with the asphalt, yeah. Anytime you touch down, personal contact. So we know bike life and we know that part of the thing that one serious, rough, tough, harsh, can be real painful part of the thing. But me just want to say, yo, one heap of strength, busy signal, go through same way as you say, minor rub down. Thing and thing, you will catch up back quick. But no, if you know, you're going to feel little pain and then they might stiff up on you. Viewers, me go show you the clip as we don't want to talk too much, you know how we do it. We just want all the motorists them know, say, yo, guidance and protection upon the travel. You know what I mean? Travel as safe as possible and don't travel for yourself. Travel for other motorists, and me not talk just celebrities, entertainers. We are speaking general, all motorists, you know what I mean? You don't have to be no one special. Take care, be safe, take your time, you know, have to rush. Even if you're late, try if you no rush, at least today. Me go share the clip with Busy Signal, him respond, him reaction after the accident. Viewers, want to comment on the thoughts down below. Remember, like the video, share the video, subscribe, support the movement. One connection or no connection.
Just rub off. It's a small rub.
Yeah, one of them sitting there go on. And them sitting there go on. Rough road, you know? Columbia, San Andreas, I get nice help from the beautiful lady right here. Nice help from the boss them. Nice help, we get all type of thing, you know? Big up San Andreas. Pick up Providence, pick up the whole Columbia. Yeah, man. Yeah, them things are going in life, you know, you look for me so much for bumbo cloth and look for me so much for you. Take out that off.
As on your Busy Signal says, so we are going to done that topic there, right? Dear sir, people, remember, you know, more and know on the thoughts. Tell me it in the comment area. As we go across to the next topic, Bounty Killer friend. Yeah, the same man where I go sue them because him anti-accountants. She have 10 subjects.
I'm not take up no, man. I'm sure you want me to take up no. I'm not take up no, I'll buy me a buy.
Trust me. As I say, viewers, I'm not sure who the man be, but for now, we are working name as Bounty friend or, you know what I mean, the man with him auntie with the 10 subject, the same auntie where accountants where I go help him sue them security there, cause them seems as if them are security. However, I'm not sure what the real true reason, but I still don't know if it's appropriate to them I deal with him according to what him say and to what them I say. I'm not sure how serious the matter be, but I have to share that video here with you because I find it so interesting as that man, boy, something seems finna right, you know. Some farm of trouble there, you know. Viewers more want to tell me what you think, you know, as I go share the rest of the video with you, you know. Bounty, if you under man your friend, you know, you need to tell him say if him a do nothing wrong, stop it. And if him not wrong, them security there, them a tie him up like goat, you know. It not look good, you know.
When I saw the blood clot and take out every fucking thing. Man is accountant, 10 subject shop. And then we there, I bounce down for it. You can't buy in a store and you come leave up, man. Eh? What the phone number take? Show them, you know. Stepping inside.
According to what the man says still, as uno hear my viewers and subscribers, him say I buy in a store and them a deal with him away and say him a take up phone out of store or a take a phone from someone. I'm not sure which way, but it's a phone tech reasoning where it caused this, you understand? So him I go sue them according to him reasoning, and boy bounty killer. Yeah, everybody a friend, or everybody want to be your friend. I saw your powerful bounty. That's all in a them situation, yeah, man, there, and I make people know say, oh, no, I do, you know. Me and bounty killer a friend. Hey, no, I do. Hey, bounty, big up yourself, you know. Me want to link with you because it seems like you're a man where have powers for link with. Yeah, because right now me and bounty a friend, so but if you want nobody come go on like they want to give me certain comment in the comment area, and anybody feel like when you can just come dislike the video, me and bounty a friend, no one do, you know.